Now, this week, I am joined by another 2017 Bevo Awards honoree, Dr. Marina Kostina. And we're going to be talking all about femininity, energy, and self-worth.
To be honest with you, it is based on research. I do a lot of research on abundance and on self-worth and net worth. Okay, they go together.
Bienvenida Marina. Marina es rusa, pero de corazón latino. Nos va a estar hablando sobre los 4 pasos para lograr nosotros combatir esos vampiros energéticos. Bienvenida Marina a Chicago Latino TV.
Muchas gracias. Tenemos la gente con quien siempre sentimos cansados o vacíos y son los vampiros energéticos.
Гости прямо сейчас здесь на вашем радио не просто гости, а специальный гость Марина Костина. Марина, добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер. Тону более высокому. Да? Тогда ваша жизнь эффективная. На самом деле, с точки зрения энергетики, потому что я сочетаю в своем курсе традиционный и нетрадиционный подход, да? I'm so honored to work with Inspirit TV because it allows people to connect with something bigger than themselves. And since my focus of my life is to help people love themselves more, I think this is a beautiful combination. In working with so many talented people, I think the universe got a big plan for us. Okay, so this is the most exciting and a little bit nerve-wracking moment of any speaking engagement. The moment before you go into the room full of people. I'm about to speak in front of several hundred people right now and show them in 2 seconds why their lives are not working, why their businesses are not expanding, and why they feel stuck. Using my staircase technique, I help them realize the way they see themselves on a subconscious level and blocks that they create that they're not even aware of. And then I'm gonna give them concrete tools they can use right away. Once they hear them, they will never forget them. And once they start using them, their life will never be the same. And my hair was long and flowing, and I had my tambourine, and I was entertaining everybody in that line. So I still remember that feeling of being so joyful and beautiful and powerful, because at that moment I could not only just entertain people, I could not only bring a little color into their gray life, but I could almost change their life for that particular moment, give them hope that there is something else. If you're looking for someone remarkable on the topics of self-empowerment and transformation, as well as finding joy and passion in business and life, you just found her. My message is deeply relatable, actionable, and proven, and it's changing lives around the world. Whether you're looking for a short inspiration or hands-on full-day workshop, I will not only motivate your audience, but I'll also give them hands-on tools that are based on research and will help them change their lives. As a former teacher, I know that engaging the audience is the key to knowledge retention, and that application of what is being learned is a guarantee of successful integration of new tools into their lives. Oh, and if you need someone to get your audience moving, well, you just find the right person. I was called the fire starter, a spark, an unstoppable force of nature. If you're interested in learning more, we would love to speak with you.